Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I'll keep it short and sweet here in this update. Solana entered the target area here that is ideal for wave 2. So that means from the low here at 30.50, it could very well be that this was an impulse up and we're now in the wave 2 correction. But to make this and to keep this very likely, Solana should hold above $32.30. If it goes below that level, it will again just be very unreliable that this is still a wave 2. Because we would then drop below the 78.6% fib level, which always makes it very unlikely for a wave 2 still to play out. In that case, then I would expect us to retest the $30.50 level. And if we lose this level, it's going to be very likely that we're in the blue count here and that the wave to the upside here was only a corrective wave in a wave 2 and that we are going to come down in a wave 3. We can also calculate a target for this wave 3. It would be quite bearish, to be fair. So the first target would be the 1-to-1 ratio that is already at $21.33. So we'll see. I guess in the next few days we'll know more. Maybe already today. Important for the to maintain here the bullish scenario that you see on the chart here, where in a wave 3 we would move to around about $46, $47, that resistance area. To maintain that, Solana needs to hold above that 32.30 level, yeah? Again, if it loses that, we'll probably see the $30.50 level again. And then there's an increased risk that we lose that as well. So why is the $30.50 level so important? That's purely because if we measure the fibs from the low here in June, I don't know why it doesn't do this. Let me just reload the page here. Just didn't do the fibs, so maybe internet is a bit slow. But the point here is that at the moment Solana is while it's loading up. Let me just explain. So the point is that Solana is still sort of between two different scenarios. I mean, overall, you can see that we are in a range. Yeah, we've been in the same range, basically between $30 roughly, yeah, and $48 since June. So, I mean, without a clear breakout to either of these sides, yeah, we don't know. We can make some assumptions, and the thing is that, yeah, we can overall maintain the bullish scenario, but if you look at the fibs here that we draw from the low to the high, then you can see that the $30.50 level, yeah, roughly plus minus a few cents, is the 78.6% fib level of that entire move. And again, a drop below the 78.6 would always make it quite unlikely that the bullish scenario, this wave 2 in white, is still playing out. Now this could develop here to something like a cup and handle. Yeah, it's a fairly round shape. Yeah, this might just be here the handle at the moment. But again, even in a cup and handle, that sort of handle here shouldn't really drop below the 78.6% fib level. So it all comes down to that critical level. Obviously, it doesn't invalidate a wave 2 if we go lower. We could still come down to the $30.50 level, but it's just all about likelihoods. It's just not very likely anymore, and you can't really trust it anymore. It's not very reliable anymore. So if we count this still as a bullish scenario, as a corrective wave 2 in an impulse, okay? So and that's my view, and I can't really tell you at the moment much more. We've been in sideways action since yesterday. We're currently holding those prices. To be honest, that ugly sideways action actually suggests that we will, or we might actually see one more dip here. We have all these 99% retracements. Not good. Looks rather like a bear flag, to be fair. But again, we can still come down to that $32. What did I say? No, $32. Yeah, 30 level. We're currently at 33.30, so there's a little bit of space still for another dip if we need it before we recover. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.